Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever worried about losing your Clash of Clans progress? Protecting your village is super important, especially with all those hours you've poured in. Supercell ID is the best way to keep your games safe and accessible across all your devices, no matter what happens to your phone or tablet. It's a simple, free service that connects all your Supercell games, giving you ultimate peace of mind and making it easy to switch accounts. First things first, open up Clash of Clans on your device. Once you're in your village, head over to the Settings menu. You'll find this easily. Just look for the gear icon, usually on the right side of your screen. Inside Settings, locate the Connected or Disconnected button, which should be prominent. Tapping this button is your gateway to managing your account. Now, on the Supercell ID screen, you'll be presented with two main options. Log in if you already have an ID, or register new if this is your first time. If you're new to Supercell ID, select Register New. You'll then be prompted to enter a valid email address. Make sure it's an email you regularly check, as this will be crucial for verification and future account recovery. After entering your email, Supercell will instantly send a 6-digit verification code to that address. Take a moment to check your email inbox. Sometimes it might land in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to look there too. Once you find the code, simply go back into Clash of Clans and enter those 6 digits into the designated field. This step confirms your ownership of the email and links it to your game. Congratulations! Once the code is accepted, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know your Clash of Clans account is now successfully linked to your Supercell ID. You can now easily switch between devices or even different Supercell game accounts with just a few taps. Your hard-earned progress is completely safe, ready for all your future adventures. Enjoy playing, worry-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.